innovative front yard privacy solutions you've never seen before. Creating a private oasis in your front yard is more important than ever, especially in urban areas where homes are closely situated. Rather than sticking to traditional fences that may feel uninviting or dull, it's time to explore innovative landscaping solutions that offer style, function, and a touch of creativity. Here are some unique outdoor design ideas to enhance your front yard privacy while adding character to your home. Creative fence ideas that wow. When thinking of front yard privacy, most people envision tall, wooden fences. However, the world of fence design has evolved dramatically. Consider using decorative screens made from materials like metal or lattice. These can be customized with intricate patterns that not only provide privacy but also serve as stunning art pieces. Alternatively, vertical gardens attached to fences can blend greenery with design, allowing for both privacy and a splash of nature. Perfect for those embracing sustainable gardening practices. Stylish privacy screen solutions. Privacy screens are a fantastic way to define spaces without the bulk of a traditional fence. Options range from sleek, modern panels to bohemian-style textiles draped artistically between trees. For a trendy outdoor decor approach, consider a trellis that supports climbing plants. This not only provides privacy but creates a lush green backdrop that changes with the seasons. Place these screens strategically near seating areas or pathways to guide movement while maintaining a sense of seclusion. Hidden garden features for magic moments. Imagine strolling through your front yard and encountering hidden nooks that offer personal sanctuary. Creating small, secluded areas with built-in benches, whimsical arches, or ornamental gates can make your outdoor space feel enchanting. Use plantings that can grow taller and denser around sitting areas to ensure they feel like protected retreats. These hidden garden features transform ordinary front yards into extraordinary experiences, balancing openness and privacy beautifully. design with privacy plantings. One of the most effective and aesthetically pleasing front yard privacy options is to strategically incorporate privacy plantings. Fast-growing shrubs such as boxwood, privet, or bamboo can create effective barriers while adding texture and life. Layering plants of varying heights and foliage types can lead to a modern garden design that feels both lush and sophisticated. Plus, you can easily customize them through seasonal blooms or evergreen varieties, ensuring your yard remains beautiful year-round. Elevate your front yard with innovative solutions. Investing in your front yard with unique outdoor design elements not only enhances your home's curb appeal, but also creates a tranquil atmosphere away from prying eyes. From creative fence ideas to stylish privacy screen solutions, the options are endless. Whether you prefer soothing greenery, hidden features, or artistic structures, there's an innovative solution out there waiting for you. Explore these trendy outdoor decor choices and enjoy the process of transforming your space into a contemporary outdoor living haven. Embrace urban gardening innovations that reflect your personal style and create a sanctuary right at your doorstep.